Hi, what's up people? This is your girl Teluvi again, and today's video I'm going to explain to you or to show you how you can transform your room with a simple wallpaper. So in this case, like for example, we did wallpaper on this room and this is the outcome. Let me show you the entire progress on how we started and how we finished. Yes, blah blah blah. So this is the first step where you mix your wallpaper paste, or rather the glue amount of water depending on the number of wallpapers that you're using. You just tie it nicely and get the right thickness. And then step 2, you just take your wallpaper, you measure it on the wall just like my guy is doing over here. You make sure, as in you measure depending on the height of the wall. So after that, then you can determine the number of pieces that you're going to need for the roll, and then after that you just cut them depending on the measurements that you got, just like we're doing here. So after cutting the stripes that you need, then next you carefully and evenly apply the wallpaper paste on the wallpapers, and then after applying on the wallpaper stripe, next you apply on the wall, and then you can now apply your wallpaper. For you to be able to fix a wallpaper, there are some certain tools that you need. That is a brush, the scraper, a knife, or rather a knife holder, or a scissor, and definitely a bucket of water. Yes. And now after fixing the first stripe, the second one, you're just going to repeat the same procedure. You just apply the paste, apply on the wall, and then fix it. guys, that's it, and this is the final outcome. Just look at how nicely this apartment came out. It's so perfect, it's so nice, just that and it's just a simple wallpaper that's transformed it to this much. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I really appreciate you for taking your time to do so. Also, kindly drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. I really appreciate. Thank you so much again.